Hello everyone, this is me Harish Shahid. You are in our official YouTube channel Switcher Techno. Today our topic is which POS retail software is best for your business. You have many choices in the market. For example, you are running your restaurant or you are running any retail shop. Alright, so you need one digital software for your business to manage your inventory, accounts, sales, purchase, receivables, payables, each and everything you have to manage in software, because you know very well if you are a businessman, in manual, in the paper, in Excel, you cannot manage these things. All right, so you must need one digital software to manage your business, to manage your process, to make like quick and fast, because you don't need hurdles in your business. Okay, so we are just discussing today about the software, which software you have to choose for your business. All right, okay, if you go to the brands, like you can search whenever you need any software, you go to the Google and you search like I need a retail POS software. You search like I want accounts inventory software. Okay, you find some like free installations, like for example you find QuickBooks, you find Tele ERP, you find Peachtree. Okay, these software is free of cost, like it's a trial versions. You install, you can use, you can put your data on that. After that you have to pay for that, because these softwares are not total free. You can check in the Google that these software is free for 1 year, for 2 years. This is the branded softwares. What the best suggestion is for you, how to choose the right software for your business? According to Google, according to Wikipedia, you have to select the POS software for your business which is one-time cost. Like you don't have to pay yearly, you don't have to pay monthly. You have to select the software which is just one-time payment. Okay, and you don't need any trial period for your business, because your business is not for 1 month or 2 months. Your business is for the long terms. So what you have to select? You have to select the right software which is provided by Switcher Techno Software House. What we are providing you? We are providing you solution. In this software, you can manage your sales, your purchase, your inventory, your accounts, like how much payable, how much receivable, how much expenses you are doing in your business. Okay, we are going to show you a short demo from where you can see each and everything, how this software look like, okay, and how it works. If I can call my cameraman to this, if you can show that screen to our viewers, that this is our dashboard, like login form. Here you can manage your multiple users. All right, like admin, multiple users. You have to give the permission to each of your users that they don't have rights to do any like hurdles, like delete anything from your accounts. Okay, now we have to log in here. I'm putting just password here, and this is multi branches software. Like if you have more than one branch, you can use it on that. Now we have option here, you can create customers, like cash customer, credit customers. You can create your vendors, credit vendors, cash vendors. You can add multiple items with barcoding. You can see this. For example, you're running cosmetic shop, you can add cosmetic products, face wash, face cream, each and everything you can put here. You can print the multiple barcodes here with brand name, with prices, everything will be mentioned there. All right, now here you can make your purchases. You can see this purchase invoice, you can print this purchase. Okay, if you want to see the reports, we have like 30 plus reports where you can see multiple purchase report, multiple sale reports, multiple inventory balances reports. Everything is there in our software, like profit and loss, item wise profit and loss, account ledger, cash and bank ledger, customer ledgers, trial balance, income statement, balance sheet. And this is complete 4 level of accounts which we are providing you. It's a ERP based system. It's very nominal price of this software. If you are interested to select the right software for your business, go to the description, write down our number. You can contact us via WhatsApp, via website, or you can direct call us. Thank you so much. Goodbye.